Ever get tired of earbuds that hurt after an hour? Or maybe you miss important sounds around you. I used to struggle with that every single day. Uncomfortable headphones, sweaty ears, missing calls. And don't get me started on earbuds falling out mid-run. That all changed when I tried the JBL Sound Gear Sense. The link is in the description to get the best price on Amazon. These aren't your typical wireless headphones. They use JBL OpenSound technology. No more blocked ear canals. The sound goes straight to your ears, not everywhere else. You get amazing audio, but can still hear your surroundings. Perfect for running, biking, or just walking in the city. The flexible ear hooks rotate for the fit you want. Focus on your music or let in the world around you. Plus, there's a detachable neckband for extra security. No more worrying about losing an earbud at the gym. And sweat, rain, no problem. These are IP54 rated. Dusty trails and quick showers won't slow you down. Calls used to be a nightmare outdoors. But with 4 built-in mics, my voice is always crystal clear. Even on windy days, people hear me perfectly. I love the intuitive touch controls on each earbud. Skip tracks, adjust volume, or answer calls with a tap. And the My JBL Headphones app lets me customize everything. Let's see them in action. Here's me heading out for a morning run. The ear hooks fit snugly. No slipping, no adjusting. I can hear my playlist and the sounds of the city. A quick call from a friend. She hears me loud and clear. Sudden rain? Not worried, they're splash-proof. After my run, I'm off to the office. On the train, I switch to focus mode. The sound is punchy, with deep bass and pure clarity. But I still catch announcements without taking them off. Long day ahead, battery life isn't an issue. I get up to 6 hours per charge, plus 18 more in the case. Forgot to charge? Just 15 minutes gives me 4 more hours. That's basically a full workout and commute. No stress. The open ear design means my ears never feel tired. No more pressure or overheating, even after hours. I can wear them all day, barely notice they're there. Heading outdoors for a hike this weekend. Dusty trail? These headphones are dust-proof too. The neckband keeps them secure, no matter how active I get. Taking a break, I switch to ambient sound mode. I can chat with friends without removing my headphones. No more awkwardly pausing or fumbling with earbuds. The sound stays private, minimal leakage, no sharing my music. Back home, I pop them in the case for a quick recharge. Ready to go again whenever I am. Honestly, these fit right into my busy lifestyle. Whether I'm working out, commuting, or exploring outdoors, they're comfortable, reliable, and sound incredible. If you're tired of uncomfortable headphones, try these. If you need to stay aware of your surroundings, try these. If you want clear calls and long battery, try these. JBL Sound Gear Sense adapts to everything I do. No more compromises between comfort and performance. No more missing out on the world around me. No more worrying about sweat, rain, or dust. Just pure punchy sound and all-day comfort. And setup is super easy. Just pair and play. The app makes it simple to adjust for your needs. They look sleek too, totally modern and minimal. So if you're ready for a headphone upgrade, give JBL SoundGear Sense a try. The link is in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Experience open-ear comfort and freedom. Stay connected to your music and your world. Never miss a beat or a call again. Ready to make the switch? Check out JBL SoundGear Sense today.